DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me I say? Yeah, man, today we're there with a new track, you know. You see me, a new artist. You see me I say? This one was requested by the Dan Mafia. You see me I say? I'm going to give them the shout out. Before we get into that, gang, how y'all doing, man? You see me, y'all good, y'all prayed up, man. You know, give thanks. You see me, I say, how y'all feeling, how y'all family. I hope y'all taking care of yourself. You see me, I hope y'all staying prayed up. You see me, make sure you keep God down in life. You see me? Yeah, man, make sure say, if you have a dream, make sure say you're putting in that work. Make every day count. Make sure say nothing come easy, you know. But all good things take time. You see me, I say, but make every day count. I don't know. You achieve it. You see me, I say, as long as you have God dynamics. But anyway, yeah, man. Today we're there with a new artist. The one new artist named Areakode, and the song named GLS 600. Dog name bad. Dog name Areakode. Mad. You see me, this one was requested by 1J Bad 876. So 1J, big up your damn self. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I jump right in the chat. Areakode. Dog name sound bad. GLS 600 sound like a bad title for your song. So right now, all I set up then, no. I just you for deliver no artist. I could see dog I deal with. Yeah, man, Areakode, GLS 600. I could see my deal with. Let's get it. Wagwan!
Big dreams, small mind, can't stop it. Have a car, call me a prophet. GLS 600, 4matic, 4.96, blast at the rocket.
Hold on. First of all, him catch me from him say, yo, big dreams, small mind, can't stop it. And this one catch me. Pull it up, you. Yeah, go on, yeah, man. Yeah, man, big dreams. Small mind can't stop it. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see me? They can't understand it. You see me? So when you have big dreams, you see me? Small mind can't understand it, so you have to do it, because you got give vision, you know. Yeah, man, you can't. Yeah, then I go see it till you do it, man. Come in. Run tune. Yeah, man, you have a dream, go feel, no man, nobody, yeah, don't listen to nobody, you see me, I say? Big dream, small mind can't stop it, get it? And the bill up too, you look a Mexican beat, come on!
Big dreams, small mind, can't stop it. Have a car, call me a prophet. GLS 600, 4matic, 4.96, blast at the rocket.
Yes!
V8, plus it come with hydraulics, no me.
Yeah, that man, you blast like rocket, V8, come with hydraulics. So I'm don't know about that, you know, come
up in our Bronx and a Bong Street traffic. Smoking blunt, I listen to 21 Savage. I'm in Glen, yeah, we drinking coffee. From here, put in work, you're gonna get rich.
Yes, that's a fact. Come in, you like if I from here put in work, you're gonna get rich. That's a fact. Come in, man. Come in, man. That mafia like up the video now. On the pan, don't play the badness. Come in, drop a line. Come in.
Up in Bronx and a Bong Street traffic. Smoking blunt, I listen to 21 Savage. I'm in Glen, yeah, we drinking coffee. From here, put in work, you're gonna get rich. Just I live my life, you're not reckless. 30,000 US, mommy necklace.
Come in, man. Talk to them. Come in. Areakode, they're bad youth. Come in.
I take a risk. Me take a risk like say me have an extra life.
Yeah.
Get the youth for your Benz and extra drive. Speed and me get rich and get extra die. Every skull my chop, then believe me.
Youth for your I want to know, man. Talk to them, not era. They're not era. Talk to them.
Extra life. Get the youth for your Benz and extra drive. Speed and me get rich and get extra die. Every skull my chop, then believe me why. Convince the goon, fi believe the lie. Yeah, the henny got me tipsy, feeling right. Jackson, get chopped, more not tonight.
Come in, man. This is a vibe. I got me a little box to the chappy. Come in.
Get chopped, more not tonight. My life will never be the same.
Come in.
From a chop the line, my life changed.
Boy, dog, they have the cocoa too. I want team and them have the cocoa too.
I'ma buy one Benz and one Range.
Yeah.
My life will never be the same.
Yeah.
From a chop the line, my life change.
Nah, be the same Dan Mafia. Come in, man. We are going to run it up. You see me? We are burn up YouTube. Come in, like and subscribe. Come in.
I'm a buy one Benz and one range. Yeah. Big dreams, small mind, can't stop it. Have a car.
Call me a prophet. I want tune. They can't stop winning Dan Mafia. Big dreams, small mind can't stop this. You see me? Come in.
Yeah. Big dreams, small mind, can't stop it.
Have a car. Call me a prophet.
GLS 600 4matic 4.96 blast like a rocket. I see it, plus you come with hydraulics. Throw me up in a Bronx.
What have you yet? And he come with the hydraulics and we bend them with bunks. You see me? I said that a fish shake or snow. Enough people don't know about that. Don't open up and expand in the mind, man. Come
on.
on.
Bong street traffic, smoking blunt and listen 21 savage. Like me live in England, yeah, we drinking coffee. Living I chop, regular we chop food. Hakina. You delivery gonna make this
a vibe though. We rate the song here.
Friday.
Big up!
Keep your business.
1J badness, big up yourself. Come in.
Money not love nice, keep silent. Get a package with a brick inside it. Democratic Party, white politics. Different meds, money mentality.
It's a Democratic Party, white politics, different type of meds, money. I got chop a Democrat, come here.
Well, bango mentality, dinero. They are meds, funny with my life. Will never be the same. From a chop the line, my life changed.
Come in, man.
From a buy one Benz and one
range. Yeah.
Dreams, small mind, can't stop it. Have a car.
Call me a prophet, I want to them.
Call me a prophet. GLS 600 4matic 4.96 blast at the rocket. I feel it, plus you come with hydraulics. Don't we up in a Bronx and a bounce traffic.
I'm Tio.
Smoking, don't I listen 21
savage.
I'm drinking. Coffee take risk. From me I put in work,
You're gonna get rich. I'm Tio, man.
Just I live my life, you're not reckless.
Yeah, man, find you put in work, you're gonna get rich, Dan Mafia. You see me, so put in the work. You see me every day in and day out. Don't watch nobody, just keep your head down. Don't watch the clock, you know. Don't watch the clock one day. You see me, cause one day you go look up and you go see. You see me and look and see everything will work for you. You gonna feel nice. You see me, don't watch the clock, man. Just go and work, man. Just go and work. You see me? Yeah, man.
30,000 US in my necklace. Yeah, I fit take risk. I take a risk like say me have an extra life and
you gonna get setbacks, you know. But as long as you keep trying, you see me, and overcome, you get there.
Yeah, Benz and extra drive. See that I get rich and get extra life. Every skull my chop, then believe my wife. Convinced to go on, fi believe the lie. Lady Henny got my tipsy, feeling high. Jackson get chopped, more not tonight. Jackson get chopped, more not
tonight. Yeah!
My life will never be the same. From a chop the line, my life change.
Yeah.
I'ma buy one Benz and one
range. Yeah. Never be the same. Yeah. Come in, man. Yeah. I'm Tia, man. Yeah, man, Areakode, like me say no, man. Areakode, GLS 600. I already said it. Bad setup, bad name, artist name, and bad song name, bro. It was all there, bro. I just him for come in and do what he do, and he did what he's supposed to do, bro. First time I hear a tune, you know. If I see setup, I say, bro, this half bad, you know. I have a bad name already, bad title. You see me, I have a bad name as an artist. Wow, go on. You see me, I say, and he did this thing, man. So shout out to 1J Bad. This request for the one day. You see me, I say dope ass song. So let me know if you like the one day now. Hit the like button and comment so we know if you want to see more from Areakode. You see me, Dog Sound Fire. You see me, I say gang. Yeah, man. Anyway, yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is and you don't know the procedure. You don't know code. You see me, I say code. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know so the dancing now. You see me, I say yeah. And also drop your favorite part in the comment section, whether it's beat, lyrics, melody, visuals, the artist, whatever it is, the girl, the props, you see me? Whatever it is, drop the favorite part in the comment section, you see me? Or me and comments them, you see me? I say, yeah, drop it in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let me know where the artist from, you see me? Yeah, cause me never hear the artist for first me hear a song from him, I hear about him. So drop in the comments, give me some details about the artist. You see me? I'll definitely give you a shout out. Oh, I'm a like and a comment on every comment. So if you wanna chat to me, if you wanna talk to me, the best way to do is in the comment section. I reply to everybody. You see me, I say, gang? You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. You don't know what time it is. I boy Jambisco. You see me? The other night I hit and I smash and a banger. The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. The most important part, each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.